for learning, knowledge sharing, networking, and volunteering, like Sumaya just mentioned. Friends, welcome to the PMI Pearl City Hyderabad chapter family. Thank you for joining the second largest chapter in our country. I am Komal Mathur, the General Secretary, and a proud volunteer with more than a decade of engagement with our chapter. In the next 60 minutes, you will know about the chapter, its various engaging initiatives and opportunities to learn and grow in your area, in your career. Volunteer your time and experience for the community, and also get a glimpses into the various initiatives, events that our volunteers have hosted in the last year. Now, all these events also help you to earn the PDUs that will help you in your recertification. You will also become aware of the benefits that the PMI PCC membership has to offer and how to make the most of your membership. So I seek your active participation in all our chapter events and initiatives, and I'll also urge you to explore volunteering for our community. Our chapter is governed by 10 BODs, that is Board of Directors, and supported by a great team of spirited volunteers. So please feel free to reach out to any of our board members for any support that you would need. My very best wishes to all of you for a rewarding association. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Komal. That was a wonderful message to our members. Moving on. Let's talk about the PMI. Okay, I have quite a few who have unmuted. Just for now, let me mute all so that we have a smooth experience. All right. Now, most of you would be knowing all about PMI, but just to reiterate, the PMI is a globally recognized project management standards as well as certifications. You've been hearing a lot about the PMI certifications and the latest or the newest baby on the block, the disciplined agile certifications as well. So this is a fact file that's taken from last year, and we are growing as we talk day by day. The membership breakdown, we have different categories of memberships, the individual, student, the retiree members as well. The most often taken part is the individual membership, which is 5 lakhs plus. And now I wouldn't be surprised if by January it is 6 lakhs or more. So we're talking about the certifications. The PMP remains the most sort of the certification, closely followed by CAPM, ACP, RMP, and other certifications. Now, going by the recent trends, the disciplined agile certification also has joined the list as well. So this is to talk about the membership on the, and we have highest level of memberships, that is 6 lakhs plus. And then the PMPs, more than double that. We crossed 1 lakh PMPs a few months ago, and now we are still counting. That was about the global PMI as a whole. Now, when we come closer to our chapter, we talk about something known as a group of chapters which are within our geographical location. It is known as the Region 11 or the South Asia. So the 9 chapters of India plus the Colombo chapter as well as the Bangladesh chapter. So this Region 11 sometimes hosts events or activities that are for the benefit of all the chapters. So we have initiatives as well. One of them is the R11 Women Engagement Committee, known as R11 WEC, of which our Komal, who just spoke, the Secretary General of the chapter, is the chairperson as well. And we have specific R11 Common Ground Symposium, which we had on November 21st and 22nd last year. And it was an awesome conference attended by more than 1,000 people across all the chapters. And in addition to that, each of the chapters host special events that are for the benefit of all the chapters. So we declare it as an R11 event and then showcase it to all the chapters instead of just keeping it limited to our chapter or respective chapters alone. So with this, we go on to the PMI India. The PMI India also on its own has been hosting several events and activities. Most of you would have attended the PMI India National Conference, right from where it started, that is Hyderabad in 2009. Since then, we have hosted two other PMI India National Conferences. One was in 2014 and one was recently, that is in 2019, where the Honorable Vice President of India, Sri Venkaiah Naidu ji, attended as well. And to have some PDU as well as knowledge sharing events, PMI India hosts a series of webinars, Common Ground series. These are available across Saturdays, and the link to these will be sent to you from time to time. We started this way back in August in 2020, and it's still going strong. Now, coming to closer to home, that's about the PMI Pearl City chapter. So I just thought it will be a great idea to reiterate the vision with which the chapter was started. We tend to be a globally respected not-for-profit organization, making the project management and leadership vital for shaping academia, business, society, and nation. Please take note of these 4 words, friends. These categories of society as well as academia are what we are going to service through all our activities. This is the mission of the chapter with which we formed the chapter: advocating project management and leadership, enhancing project management, driving innovation, championing project management, establishing mutually beneficial strategic and alliances, which you will see over the next few slides as well, and making volunteer leadership a strategic competency. All of us here at the chapter, we are volunteers. Passion drives us. So we tend to provide a platform for the members as well as volunteers to hone the professional competencies as well. So you'll be seeing across the slides how the volunteers have evolved too. The birthday of the chapter incidentally is August 14th, 2001. So we are in our 20th year of our existence. So just at the start of the session, you would have seen a slide with the 20th year anniversary. So all through this year, we will be celebrating in different forms the 20th year of our existence as a chapter. So we initially started with 25 members in 2001. Now we are going strong with 1,300 members plus. So that's a huge journey for the chapter to take up. Governed by a group of 10 volunteer leaders, many professionals who are supporting the chapter in different ways. And then we are talking about a whole lot of activities and events that are there on the right-hand side, network meetings, Gyan Lahari. This word, please note, my friends, you'll be hearing it year on year. That is the flagship event of the chapter. And regarding all the other activities of the chapter, which are listed here, we'll see them one by one. This, my dear friends, is the humongous journey that the chapter has taken right from the launch of the chapter in 2001 to 2020, where the chapter hosted the 3rd national conference as well as hosted the biggest ever disciplined agile conference, and it's going strong on its membership retention as well. To know more about your chapter, just a snapshot here: 1,300 members with a retention rate of 60%, We have had major conferences. The foundation day of the chapter also was celebrated last year. And we recently hosted the Disciplined Agile Conference as well. So we have for the people who are looking out for PDUs as well as volunteering opportunities. Look here, we have more than 11 unique volunteering opportunities and we already have 120 plus volunteers on board. And regarding the learning opportunities, we are looking about 6,000 plus learning and knowledge sharing sessions. This is a letter we will always share and treasure. This is by the Honorable Vice President of India, Sri Venkaiah Naidu ji, on the occasion of us hosting the PMI National Conference in 2019. So he calls himself as well as the Prime Minister of India a project manager, the way in which he has to take care of all the activities as well as the nation. This is our commitment to the members. We have achieved all the 3 awards of the membership, retention, as well as growth in a phase-wise manner. 2019 was that. The net promoter score of the chapter has also increased to a great extent thanks to volunteers as well as members such as you. We are looking forward to help us in the growth and looking forward to you contributing to it as well. The photograph is there with all of us. It's something to treasure. This is a photograph of the celebrations after the Project Management National Conference in 2019, where we all met and we started the TED series with PMI as well as TED collaborating and being a part of the national conference as well. This is a report of the national conference. The foundation day celebrated on 14th of August. This, my dear friends, you may want to just check out all the people, whoever have been the leaders of the chapter, all the presidents, the 9 presidents of the chapter. Mr. B. Madhav Reddy is the current president of the chapter, but each of these presidents, whoever have led the chapter over the last 2 decades, have added a lot of value to this. And now, coming to the current board. These are the 10 people whom you will be meeting across various events, activities, as well as interacting on a virtual mode right now regarding all the activities of the chapter. Mr. B. Madhav Reddy is the president, Venkat Reddy Chirla, the vice president, Komal Mathur, the general secretary, whom you just heard a few minutes ago, Bhaskar Reddy, the treasurer, as well as the PMI EF lead, Monica Mudamshetty, she leads the social media as well as chapter communications. Me, Suma, I'm the director for memberships at the chapter. Manohar, the director for academy, professional development activities. Then Sita Mahalakshmi, who is the director for volunteering activities at the chapter. Sairam Chamarthi, he's the DA champion as well as all things agile. Then we have Saujanya, who leads the business development at the chapter, as well as a whole lot of social good initiatives. So we will be sharing the email IDs of all the chapter folks for you to interact with them one-on-one. So, and they are all available on social media too. So you can either interact with them on the social media or on the Telegram. That's where all of us are active as well. So you can check out, talk to them about quite a few initiatives. This is our member base in numbers. Though we talk about it as numbers, it's all the engagement as well as the way in which the members have joined in huge numbers. We started off 2014, we were 1098. 2019, we were 1053 members. And thanks to you guys joining all of us, it's 1353 now. the chapter has recorded the highest ever member base this current year, that is 2020 ending. Thank you. And to talk about the credential holders, we have had more than 150 credential holders over the last 3 months itself. That's a huge achievement in itself. When we talk about the credential holders, about 811 plus, the 811 and counting, they are the PMPs of the chapter. And we have 951 credential holders taking up all the other credentials as well. When we talk about how our member base is, needless to say, more than 50% is made up the IT folks, but the other at least 45% or so, we are looking at different industry verticals. Okay, you may look at financial services, construction, energy, healthcare, aerospace. These are the verticals where more of our members come from after IT. So when some of these members reached out to us during the last year saying that they wanted something specific to their own industry domains, we came up with an initiative known as the industry specific groups. These groups we initiated last year, and we have been reaching out to members to register groups. And glad to say we have the industry specific group or the ISG kickoff meeting on 31st January. I'd suggest whoever has not had a chance to register, please do so. I see a question, do we not have the ISG in IT? All the activities apparently according to the members we were doing is on IT, and we were not catering to the industry, the specified industries. That's why we came up with this. But not to worry, we are exploring something on the emerging technologies as well, and we will be reaching out to you soon for this activity. So to talk about a few member engagement activities, we have catered to the feedback received from the member base and had some sessions which are completely career oriented. That's the Career Enabler series. We had 4 episodes of it. Then we talk about masterclass events. We started off this in 2019 as in-person events, but with the lockdown and other things, we switched to virtual mode. So let me tell you, friends, right from April 2020 onwards, ever since the lockdown, we did not stop our offerings of the chapter. In fact, we increased them. The virtual engagement strategy was put into place right away. We started engaging with the members more and more. In fact, the members could reach out as well as leverage all these activities because they were online. That helped. So masterclass events. Then we have the knowledge sharing sessions, which are on generic topics. And now we are talking about the networking meets as well as a new member orientation meets such as this. So the new member orientation meets we have every quarter. So the October, November, December, we are having it in January. Similarly, the network meetings, we have it every alternate month, unless there is a huge conference and all that. So just to keep you informed, I'm sure you'd have had the invitation email, but I would sincerely suggest please sign up and attend the 23rd January network meeting. That's coming Saturday. Okay, 6 days from now. You'll have a lot of things to interact with, and the board members that you just saw will be able to interact with each of them one-on-one. How we network, what are the other ways in which the chapter networks with all its members? You have all the social media, as well as the most important, the Telegram. We have more than 800 members registered on Telegram, and we are growing as well. This is the active hive of activities, discussions of the chapter. If any of you has not had a chance to sign up on Telegram yet into the group, please do so. We'll be sending the link to you. That's Lata sending you the link right away. So on the right hand side, you're looking at something known as issues and escalations. I'm sure many of you would have had quite a few questions. Okay, if it is regarding the chapter, please reach out to us immediately at office@pmi-pcc.org. Otherwise, if there is any activities regarding the what do you say, the payment issues or exam rescheduling or whatever, which may not be in the hands of the chapter, I would suggest please write to these two email IDs for quicker resolution. Wait a week, and if you are unable to get a resolution to them, please escalate. Escalate it to us at membership@pmi-pcc.org so that you do not have to wait further and we can help you in resolving the issue. This is another way in which the chapter news is brought to you. The Spandana, that's the newsletter of the chapter. Glad to share we have just released the third edition or this quarter's Spandana or the 20th anniversary Spandana release. And you can find all this at our website as well. Coming to volunteering opportunities. All the opportunities of the chapter are segregated into how or in which purpose they serve. Some of the volunteering opportunities, they serve the membership, some the communications, some are more looked at for professional development, that is the academy outreach, and some are in the service of society as well as nation, that is the social good. So you see a lot of activities right here. This may interest you. On the left-hand side, we are looking at the open opportunities in VRMS that are related to the chapter. All these are available at vrms.pmi.org and look through the chapter opportunities, okay, the local opportunities. You have to type in Pearl City, Hyderabad chapter so that you get a list of all the opportunities that are available with the chapter, okay. The last year, what we are looking at the volunteer dashboard, we were able to create 18 volunteer opportunities. 120 active volunteers worked on that and 1500 hours of volunteering activities done. So this is a snapshot regarding all the volunteers who worked on it, and the yellows you see are the star volunteers of the quarters. Okay, who knows? The next quarter, maybe you'll be the star volunteer. Okay, we have a volunteer career progression as well. So how a volunteer grows within the chapter, the 6 months duration, and next he or she becomes a volunteer lead and subsequently a volunteer program manager, which helps develop their leadership opportunities. This is a snapshot of our academy or the professional development activities that have been done. PMP, we have been continuously doing that, as well as corporate workshops. We have regularly been doing corporate workshops at the companies listed here. ACP, project management, custom workshops, CAPM, all these are done on a case-to-case basis, on request basis. Every workshop of ours, not less than 4 out of 5 ratings. And on the right hand side, you see our star facilitators or gurus. We have trained about 550 plus members during the last year and 16,430 hours of learning hours provided. So that's a humongous effort in itself. Looking at the academy portfolio and what we may look at during this current year, we are looking at virtual workshops as of now, as on date, and we are using quite a lot of interactive tools so that we can make the workshops interesting. Then we are currently registered as an authorized training partner. The application is in process. We will start doing the programs under the ATP umbrella soon. Okay. And we have just finished the pilot workshops of the Disciplined Agile. And we are going to start on the Disciplined Agile workshops under the ATP soon as well. And our you may want to take note of this. We have something known as the Exam Prep Buddy program. This is something that our chapter has come up with last year. It's a unique service to the people who are preparing for their certifications. This is assigning a buddy to the person who is preparing and taking you through the entire process of preparation. It's a 10 weeks support to the aspirant. Till now, this numbers, whatever you're seeing on the screen, it's as of October, but till now we have been able to have at least 75 plus mentors and 140 registered mentees as well. Recently, okay, just to go back to this for all these activities, you may reach out to the Academy Director, Manohar, will be sharing the number as well as the email ID as well, academy@pmi-pcc.org. He is the right person for you to reach out to you for all your professional development activities. Soon, over the next couple of weeks, we'll be having a PMP refresher course as well. So whoever are in the process of preparing for the PMP, please go ahead and register for it. So we talked about disciplined agile. That's the new kid on the block. Recently, along with the Kerala chapter, we organized a huge disciplined agile conference known as the PMI South Asia Disciplined Agile Conference. So this was on the topic Unlock Business Agility. It was on the 5th and 6th of December 2020. And all these events that I'm talking about right now, don't worry if you have missed them, they're all on our YouTube channel. Okay, we talked about member engagement, we talked about the professional development activities. Let's look at the social good activities as well. Remember what we talked about in our vision, academia, business, society, and nation. The society and nation activities we are talking about. So we have been doing a lot of activities for the differently abled folks as well. Talking about the project management basics book in the sign language for the hearing challenged. That was recently launched on December 3rd. And we are talking about Friends of Farmers. We are working with the FFA as well. Then case studies for NGOs, students, small traders, project management, PMI Education Foundation as well. We are doing the train the trainer activities. And another flagship activity of the chapter, SLCB, the Student Leadership Competency Building. This is our flagship program that we started almost 15 years ago, and we have been going strong, developing a huge learning material on management and leadership for the students. This is a snapshot of the PMI EF activities. It's a parallel program that directly has its, allegiance to PMI Global. And Mr. Bhaskar Reddy is the director for PMI EF activities. This is another activity on the social good of the chapter. That is the project management basics book in Telugu. This was launched on August 14, 2020. That's on the Foundation Day. Another activity of ours that we have been doing on the social good as well as a nation building activity is we have collaborated with the NIRD, National Institute of Rural Development, on a lot of activities going on at the chapter, as well as Friends of Farmers, then SERA, all these activities together we are doing with a completely one group or set of volunteers who are engaged in the social good. This is another collaboration of NIRD and PMI PCC known as the Samriddhi Yatra that was taken place last year. And it had several members from other chapters also joining in for this. Our association with the farmer community continues. and we have been adopting a few villages to talk about several initiatives that have been initiated there. Saujanya, as well as Venkat Reddy and our president, Mr. Madhav Reddy, all three of them are heavily involved in these activities as well. So you may write to any of them for knowing more as well as involving in the social good activities. Thank you, Lata. All the three email IDs are listed there. And then we are talking about taking project management to the rural development. So a lot of templates have been starting to be developed for the SERA, and we are collaborating with this organization, the Sustainable Eco-Friendly Rural Areas. That's the name of the NGO that we are collaborating with for these activities as well. This is another collaboration that we started way back almost 1.5 years ago, and ever since we have been going on the TWED collaboration, Tribal Welfare Engineering Division. PMI PCC and TWED, we have collaborated and come up with a program known as GOAL, Going Online as Leaders. That is, financed by Facebook, and women volunteers from PMI PCC have registered for this as mentors and will be mentoring about 150 girls from the tribal areas. So, to sum up some of the activities of the chapter, there are quite a few things that we are doing on the learning side, some on the advancing side, and some on looking at the social good or the contributing side. So this is a snapshot of all the activities that we have done over the last 1 year. The PMP and other things that are on the professional development side, advancing or looking at your own knowledge development, looking at the Gyan Lahari meetings, network meetings, ISGs, knowledge sharing sessions, so on and so forth, and contributing or social good side, the friends of members, friends of farmers, government collaborations, what we talked about. So if you're interested in volunteering for any of these activities, you may reach out to Sita. Lata, you may want to share Sita's email ID as well. Not to worry, friends, if you're not making a note of it here, we'll be sending a snapshot of all the discussions that we have had during this new member orientation, including the links, in a separate email to you. All in all, this is what your membership benefits are. Continuous learning through your professional development, as well as all the advancement activities that we talked about, social media community. You can learn, advance, network through all our social media channels, networking, the network meetings, the new member orientation meetings, the social contributions, just what we talked about, the social good activities, and not to say the preferential pricing that you would receive being a part of the chapter for all the conferences, events, activities, depending on who is hosting it, so on and so forth. And all these definitely provide you the PDUs that are essential for your activities as well. So that brings me to the summation of all these activities. I'd like to leave the floor open for a few questions. Are you able to unmute yourself to talk?
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah. I'd like to hear a few questions, if I may. Or you'd like to, talk about your observations?
Very good morning to everybody. Thank you, Suma, for your a very good presentation of the entire chapter. I really like the way the chapter has progressed in the last 2 decades. So that really adds value to the society and the peer members as well. And I wanted to thank and really want to appreciate the great work. And there is now much question I wanted to ask, but just wanted to check if you can, as I see most of the new members must have this curious question of how to use and all. I know it is already there on the website. We have discussed in Telegram, but just for the benefit of the audience, I just wanted to check with you if you can just help us with a 2-minute session on how we can acquire this PDUs and what are the things we can do about it.
Okay. So you don't have to worry about the PDUs. First thing, when you're a part of the chapter or an active member of the chapter, let me put it that way.
Okay.
So we have different volunteering opportunities, learning opportunities, as well as every month we send out a note to all the members with all the PDU earning opportunities that the chapter as well as the entire PMI provides.
Okay.
It's
Okay.
all at one place. All right. So
Good.
this is coming soon. Not to worry. Within the by the time of your next network meeting or whatever, you'll get it. It's all at one place. So
Great.
that's why I said 60 PDUs is nothing when you're a member, active member of the chapter.
So nice, so nice. Thank you so much, Suma. Thank you.
Thank you, Suresh.
Hi, this is Hari Krishna. Probably I have one question to ask you, Suma.
Mhm.
Yeah, first and foremost, thank you so much for the session. It was really enlightening, and I was really looking forward to be a part of the Pearl City chapter. And the only question that I have is with the new model of the PMP examination coming in, and I also saw an email that there is going to be an upcoming refresher session that's going to come our way. So how and probably just a quick one-liner or probably a quick update about how should we be starting to prepare for the examination, if you can please help me with that.
Okay. I would have preferred Manohar. Is he available? Manohar on the call? Okay. If he's not, no worries. I would definitely want Manohar to answer this question. But
Sure.
what we have been told is that currently the PMI or the PM Box 6th edition examinations are still going on with a delta of the agile, syllabus still going in. So the 7th edition, when it will be a cutover, we are yet to get this information. We are also on standby till the end of the month to receive this. In fact, we were supposed to receive on Jan 2nd, but due to all the situation going around, there is a delay in this. So please stand by and we will be sending you the information soon, definitely before the end of the month.
Sure, Suma. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Hi Suma, this is Shankar here. Good morning. I want
Hey,
to ask
Shankar.
this question that to be a volunteer of the chapter, should I have a PMP certification mandate or is it like, can I get started even without it? Or
Okay, let me answer it this way. There are some volunteering opportunities which do not require a PMP certification. And there are some like the PMP Prep Buddy. If you are going to be a PMP Prep Mentor Buddy, that is, you're going to guide someone on PMP, you definitely need to be a PMP certified guy. So some opportunities require, some do not. So in each of the volunteering opportunities, when you go on to VRMS and click on the specific volunteering opportunity, you will have a whole set of requirements that the volunteer has to have so that he or she can apply for the opportunity. Does that answer your question, Shankar?
yeah, sure. Thanks, Suma.
Okay. So any other?
Hey Suma, this is Aragapan Suma. I have one question.
Hey,
Suma, for say for example, for PMP, you need 40 PDUs. For ACP, you need 21 PDUs. So I believe that you also have some training workshops for getting this PDUs, so you become eligible for the exams. Correct?
the contact hours, you mean?
Correct. Correct. So this is like, again, it will be a preferential pricing for members or how it is?
Okay. We are talking about the PMP prep course, the ACP prep course,
Correct.
CAPM, all this.
Correct.
Yes. When you look at our, okay, probably you wouldn't have had a chance to look at our regular mailer regarding the PMP because we still haven't released it from Jan 1st to till now. So every workshop of ours that is given by the chapter, it has a preferential pricing for the members. Okay. For outsiders, there is a pricing. And of course, there has to be something for our folks, right? That's the preferential pricing.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. Yeah. Any other questions?
Hi, Suma.
Providing
This
the
is
PDUs for, sorry, will you be
yeah.
providing the PDUs for these all sessions what we attending here?
I'm sorry. Is it Satya or
Yeah, Satya,
I
Satya,
didn't get the.
Satya here. So
Okay.
the question, the classes we attend, so the conduct the buddy programs, will you be arranging the PDUs for the same hours?
Okay. Being a buddy to someone who is preparing for the examination, that is a volunteering opportunity. That has specific number of PDUs that will be given to you from the owner of that activity. Okay.
Not
The PMP prep course is a contact hour program, 35 contact hours of project management education. Okay, the 4-day program or whatever we call it. That is separate and this is separate. So which one were you talking about?
So basically the PMP aspirant, if you attended that PMP buddy program, so you need the 35 PDUs for the certification, right?
Okay, let me clarify. Maybe I have not been clear. The prep buddy program comes into picture after you have attended the PMP prep course, the workshop, okay, to help you in your preparation. After attending the program, you will start preparing for the exam, isn't it? During that time, the PMP prep buddy program comes into picture. Okay, it does not substitute for the 35 contact hours. Am I clear?
Yes, got it.
Yeah.
Understood. Thanks. So the one more question, Suma, the continuation same thing, right? So this friend of farmers and then the student volunteer programs, right? So how do we want to register? Are there virtual classes or the physical presentations?
Right now, most of them are virtual, but there are some events that require going to the, say, for example, to the villages for some programs, so on and so forth. So all these are given in the VRMS, the Virtual Resource Management System, Volunteer Resource Management System, which is available and the link can be provided to you as well. Okay.
Okay.
So everything goes through one common link.
Sure.
Yeah.
Suma, one more question, Suma. Like, see, I applied for some of the VRMS positions. Is there any place where we can see the status of when it will start and whether I have been accepted for that VRMS?
Okay. There are quite a few opportunities that are on the global side. Anyone can apply for a globally open opportunity. Okay. That PMI takes quite some time to let us know whether we have been accepted or not accepted. But you will get a message either way. Okay. But for the activities of the chapter, surely as soon as you register, at least within a week, you will be getting the response regarding whether you have been accepted for that opportunity or not. If not, please write to office address with a copy to Sita, our volunteering director. Sita's email ID also we are providing so that you will get a status immediately. At least give us a weekend so that we can respond to you.
Okay, understood.
Thank
you.
Hi, Soma, Jay here.
Hey, Jay.
Yeah, actually, I was going through all those PPTs. So we have networking program for members and all. So is there any blog or website, web page wherein like we can post for the open opportunities in our organization? Like as we cross this, what you can say in IT, we cross this lead or developer level. there are less and less opportunities for project managers. So if we want, if there is an opportunity in my organization, then I would like to pass on that benefit to my chapter members rather than looking out for like an open market. So is there any page or group for that?
On the website, we are looking at bringing this, but meanwhile, we have a program known as the Friends of Members, brought about especially because of the COVID situation where, let's face the facts, many of us have been in a shaky job situation. Some of us have lost our job. Some are looking at, I don't know, various different opportunities, all that kind of things. So we are looking at helping each other. Yes, one of our board of directors is in charge of that activity where we share whatever opportunities comes to us to all the people who have been looking out. And another avenue right away, what is available to you is join the Telegram group and share the opportunity there. Okay. That is a hive of all the people. Right now, we have about 814 members on Telegram. All of them are looking at it. And in fact, it will be a boon in the, really if you share the opportunities. Okay. All we need is correct person or correct person from the organization who can share the opportunities and who can take the ownership for it. That's all.
Okay.
Any other
And
questions?
I just shared Sairam's email ID there, the chat.
Thank you, Lata. Yes, that's our board member who is in charge of Friends of Members, sharing of the job opportunities.
Hi, Soma. This is Minaj here.
Hey, Minaj.
Hey, I have actually a couple of questions, maybe two or three, not much. One, first of all, thank you for this wonderful presentation and sharing this words of wisdom with all of us, especially the new members. Hello to everyone as well. My first question is, I was trying to search this in the Telegram. I know there's a link, but I don't know how I can move from that link because I'm using a PC basically. So I was trying to search in Telegram about the PMI chapter. I couldn't find it.
Okay. You are on Telegram, but you do not have a link to the chapter, is it?
Right. Yeah.
Chapter group. Okay. We'll remedy that right away. Lata, I request you to please share the Telegram group link. There you go, Minaj.
Yeah, I mean, I've seen this earlier in the chat, but I'm using a PC ideally. I've not joined through the mobile or the cell phone. This meeting.
Oh, I think you'll have to install that. You'll have to join first on your mobile, and then you like WhatsApp web. Like you'll have a Telegram web version also. You probably will have to join first on the mobile. I'm not too sure though. Anyone else who can answer that?
I'm already on Telegram, but can't find it when I search. I see PMI Bangalore. So.
Oh, okay. Let's connect Minaj to see where exactly the problem is there, because both ways we can join. But let's connect and then look at how we can help you. Okay.
Sounds good. Another question is about the ISG. I try to see different domains, but I don't see any IT domain in that form. So
okay, all right. We are looking at catering to non-IT industries. Okay, the top 5 after the IT. Okay, IT remains almost like 55 to 60% of the member base from IT. Okay, the next top 5 groups are what we have taken up, but not to worry. We are starting something soon, and I don't want to take the surprise away from the initiator. Okay, we are starting something soon on IT. Okay, let's say coming soon.
I'm wondering why not the 70%? I'd say people, not given the first priority.
Okay, let me just say the other 5 groups, they were saying that you're catering to only the 70% of the member base, whereas we are still there. and you need to look at us as well. So most of the sessions, if you look at the network meetings and all during the last few years, we had technology sessions. Most of them were on emerging technologies, AI projects, portfolio, so on and so forth. So that's what probably made them think. So we are trying to bring about a balance, and yet we'll hope to get there. Okay.
Cool. Just one last thing. Yep, the networking stuff that you were talking about earlier. How is, I mean, is there a, do you have a separate, like a subsection within the PMI.org where for this chapter specifically, where I can go look and join, or, you know, for example, for networking. So I want to know more about like networking, see what kind of activities are done in this particular subgroup and stuff like that. And how do I get this information and all that, basically?
Subgroup, can you give me an instance or activity?
Subgroup, as in the chapter itself I'm talking about. Say PMI is a parent, it's an umbrella, and then we talk about a branch. So is this branch specific stuff that's listed out there on the parent domain like PMI.org? Or is this separately, entire separate web is what you have, web address you have for chapter specific?
Okay. All right. Let me try answering that question, because PMI.org, it's a global website where you can look out for each and every chapter as well as a global organization. So when you go, you have different sites, but leading to the same, parent organization. Say, for example, you are looking at PMI India activities that are within the purview of India, PMI.org.in. So when you go to PMI.org, you have links to all these as well. So even in PMI.org, you search for Pearl City, you will get the Pearl City chapter link. You search for PMI India, you'll get that link. Or you search for PMI Washington DC, you'll get that link. So from there itself, you can come to each of our chapters. It depends on where or what exactly or which area you are looking at.
Okay, and all of these activities are listed in that particular chapter site, right? Or say for Pearl City.
What activities we have talked about, they're going to be on our chapter website as well as on our social media handles, which are very, very active as of now. Okay. Wonderful. But I would suggest get on to Telegram, be an active part of it. You will be able to see all the other events of the or discussions which are earlier as well. So you can just have a glimpse of all the activities. First thing, Telegram. Yes.
Gotcha. This is still not fixed. I'm trying to the link that was sent. Probably I have my phone number, but how do I join is what I'm wondering.
We'll talk, Minash. We'll talk right after this event. We'll talk so that we can help you there. Okay.
Through email, is that good enough? Can I send you an email?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
All right.
And the number shared by Lata, it's a WhatsApp number as well, which is mine, as well as you have got some of the WhatsApp invites to this event. So all the three numbers, Jayprakash, Lata, and mine, we are the part of the member outreach task force, wherein we'll be interacting with the members for the queries and so on and so forth. You can reach out to any of us.
Okay? Gotcha. Appreciate it. Thank you so much.
Thank you. So I'd love to hear how you felt about the session.
Hi, Shima.
Who's that speaking? I'm not receiving. Shiva Prasad. Hey, Shiva. Yes.
Hi, Shima. This is Shiva Prasad. First of all, thank you very much for the great session and learned a lot. I have 3 questions. First question for who are desperately seeking for a job opportunity. For them, how this chapter will help who are desperately seeking for job. And second question in the presenting this I learn, advance, contribute.
in the learn, whatever the courses you mentioned there, suppose I'm already certified PMP. So the rest of the courses, whatever mentioned here, ACP or CAPM or whatever it may be, other one, which are providing by the PMI, Project Management Institute, suppose disciplined as it. So from the chapter, is there any, already you mentioned workshop, these are all the courses or workshops, paid services or just volunteer services from the PMI chapter? That is the second question. Third question, what is the, how could be an active member? How could be an active member? What is the measurement whether that person is an active member or not? These are the three questions from me.
Okay, that's a nice summation of all the three things that we have been doing. All right, coming to your first question, I know we are overshooting the time limit, but just give us a few more minutes. The job opportunities, say, we are not a job agency as such, but we are a huge community of project management professionals. So the job seekers, as well as the people who are looking out for new resources for their teams. So all of them are on one platform. This is a great way in which you can share opportunities as well as profiles. So that is where the trust factor comes in within the chapter. Okay, I would definitely trust a person who is within my chapter rather than go somewhere else and say, oh, is he really done all these activities kind of thing. So that is the best way in which we can provide the platform. Okay, no guarantees as such, but the platform is there for you to use. Okay. And glad to say many people have been able to use this platform to further their career. Okay, that's one. And most of the opportunities under Learn, all the professional development activities listed, yes, they are paid services. We do pay our faculty and other folks as well. So the volunteering opportunities, yes, we do provide from the chapter. They are in the form of the advance. And some of the Gyan Lahari or some of the national conferences, we have a nominal fee. Okay. But the others, like the industry-specific groups, network meetings, master classes, all these are completely free services which add value to your memberships. Okay, we try to run the chapter based on some of the activities that we do. That's where we charge for the some of the professional development activities. Now with the ATP in place, we do have to pay PMI as well for several licenses and registrations as well. So that's how the balancing is done. All these are completely nominal, on par with whatever is going on in the outside world. Okay. And next question is about being an active member, is it?
How could, how could be active member? What is the measurement?
Okay, we don't have a rating as such. You involve in each of the activities of the chapter, in any of the activities of the chapter that you are interested in, definitely you'll be an active member. Okay, maybe learning sessions, maybe your knowledge sharing and other things. This is just the start of the year, so you're not seeing much of the events that are going to come. But definitely every month we have a host of events that are coming up. Some are professional development, some are knowledge sharing, some are on social good, some are on volunteering opportunities. I think you'll be seeing them soon. So not to worry.
Okay, thank you.
Okay.
Thank you.
Sure. Would any of you like to share your thoughts?
Hi, Suma. This is Pratap here.
Hi, Pratap.
Good morning, all, and thank you very much for the very good session, which you discussed in detail and explained all the volunteering opportunities as well as academic and other business opportunities. It is really wonderful session, which I never thought about it, but it's really good, and I'm happy to be part of this group as well as happy to be part of volunteer group soon. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, Pratap. Okay. All right. I will now ask if there are any more questions.
Suma, one last question can I ask?
Okay. Yeah.
Suma, when we go for this prep courses, normally there are simulators. So are there any simulators which is available for the members after we take up these courses for when we prepare for the exams?
Okay. This we will have to talk. Let the academy talk about it, because all the part of the buddy program or the preparation program is with them. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
So I will ask our academy to reach out to you on the PMP prep as well as how we go about it. Okay.
Okay. Thank you.
All right. Thank you. So if there are no more questions, I will ask Lata to share the feedback form as well. And Sairam, are you on the call here? Okay. I guess most of the folks have left. All right. Lata, can you share the feedback form, please?
I did.
Okay. Okay.
Hi.
Folks, yes. Wait. Subhas.
Yeah. Hi, Suma. Yeah. Sorry. I just joined first time for this session now. It was wonderful. So I got the link from my brother. We both are PMI, registered and PMP certified project manager working for one of the MNC company. Just wanted to know how do we, register for this kind of session. Probably I've sent an email. If you could let me, like, how do I get the link? I got this from my brother this time, so I was able to join in. And this was my first call, so trying to understand that.
This is sent to all the people who have joined the chapter during the last 3 months, not PMI, the chapter, the PMI Pearl City chapter. Okay. So you may want to check if you're a member of the PMI Pearl City chapter and your brother as well, so that from next time onwards, if you'd like to join in, please reach out to us so that we can have you in the mailing list.
Sure. I will. Thank you.
Thank you. All right, then the folks who do not have any more questions can please feel free to leave. We'll be sending you an email with all the links for activities as well as initiatives that we discussed, including the board members and other things, emails. Anyone who has more questions, we are free to take on for a few more minutes.
Yeah, this is Shashi this side. Just have a small question from my end. I recently joined the chapter, hardly 2 months. Just I wanted to know whether we have any unique user ID password for the logging in chapter website, or just a free flow that is already available for everyone. Is there any specific?
Not yet, Shashi. You can directly just type in pmi-pcc.org. That's our chapter website. And you can reach out for any of the activities or events that happen at the chapter. I would suggest please stand by for emails from the chapter. Okay, we have a whole lot of communication going on with the initiators, as well as the Telegram group. We use it extensively for all the communications. Even with half an hour notice, we do a lot of events and activities and other things, sharing of jobs, activities, opinions. All this is done on Telegram. So I would suggest please join that.
Yeah,
okay.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Sure. Thank you. Any others?
Suma, once again, sorry. Where to get
No
this
worries.
PM book in Telugu? How to get this PM book in Telugu?
Okay. Please write to office@pmi-pcc.org. Our board members will reach out to you so that we will take the next steps. You're interested in procuring that, isn't it?
Yeah, just I would like to, how could be, I would like to see and check.
Perfect.
Okay.
That's wonderful. We even have the Braille book as well as the PM Basics book for the listening impaired as well. That's videos.
Okay.
Sign language book. Yeah.
Okay.
Sure.
Hi Suma, good morning.
Hey Ritu, good morning. How are you doing?
Good. I'm Wing Commander Ritu. I'm in Indian Air Force presently. I'm a new member. Happy to be a part of this chapter. I would
Awesome,
like to
and thank
know
you
certain
so much,
things.
Ritu.
Thank you. I would like to know certain things regarding this platform. Like I'm in the phase of my career transition from military to corporate, and in probably one more year, I would be at the verge of transition from Indian Air Force to the corporate this thing. So I want to know that how this platform would be helpful to me in transition first. And kindly link me to a buddy for my career pathing so that I'll end up at a correct place after leaving Indian Air Force. And I get experience of some live industry projects while I'm in Indian Air Force for the next 1 year, so that it will be helpful to me after I'm actually leaving the organization. So how do I go about it?
All right. So there were three parts of the question. First of all, thank you so much for all that you do for the nation, and thank you from all of us at the chapter. And
thank you so
to take this forward, thank you. We have something known as the industry specific groups. You're just starting off, but then what we can help you with is connect you to people who have already transitioned from the forces to the corporate life, who are on the verge of similar, career paths such as you. So the industry specific group known as aerospace, defense, manufacturing, and automotive. So we have the defense category as well. And glad to say we have several people from the forces who are already in the member base since several years. So I'd be glad to connect them to you so that you can discuss with them regarding the next steps as well. Would that help?
Much.
Thank you. Yeah.
Hello. Hello.
Yes, Amarendra, we can hear you. Please go ahead.
Yeah, I'll see this. I have currently I been like this is regarding the jobs portal or something. Like I joined late just now 10 minutes back, but
Okay.
then I missed the session.
Mhm.
This basically like this career pathing, which I can see up.
Mhm.
Like that career pathing is basically I wanted to understand how to use that develop my career, because I have been in a kind of I could not basically chart my career like after joining this this pandemic and other things. I could not like
Okay.
make it
Mhm.
out like how to go, because currently like I am jobless, but I have I attended the PMP session, but I didn't give the exam because of some financial issues, and I'm looking forward like to have to get into some job as soon as possible. And so I have some career earlier, but now I have to take it forward. Like so, that is my problem. So
Okay.
basically, I thought of like this career pathing. Will that help? And I have forwarded my resume to persons which like the chapter has told me to, but after that I didn't get any further.
Okay. We look at mapping the person's profile with the job requirements that we have. Probably that's the reason that you haven't received a response yet. But definitely we'll look at your profile as well as have one of our senior folks talk to you regarding mentoring or advising you on what else you can do. Okay, the career pathing sessions, the 4 sessions that we mentioned, we have the career enabler series that we conducted last year, which took on several aspects of a person, going to further their career. So resume building, or some of them were more on what a HR person looks at from different perspectives, so on and so forth. Okay, I suggest you have a look at these sessions as well. They are on our YouTube. Okay, once you say PMI Pearl City chapter YouTube channel, you will be able to see all these sessions as well. Maybe they'll help. Meanwhile, I'll ask.
I had already taken a look at them. I have gone through them. They were wonderful. Thanks for basically putting them on YouTube. Basically, I went through all of them in the month of December.
Okay. Okay.
So basically, they're wonderful. Actually, like, and two sessions were superlative, if I can say. So, so then,
Sure.
but currently, like, yeah.
You're looking at someone who can talk to you as well as help you with your specific profile, isn't it?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Please connect to us offline so that we can connect you to one of our senior advisors. Okay.
Okay. Offline means I didn't get that.
You can connect to us on my email ID, membership@pmi-pcc.org, so that I can connect you to our folks. All right. Okay. Individual one-on-one discussion is required. We'll connect to you. Okay.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you, Amrita. All right. I guess we have had a chance to answer a good number of questions. Meanwhile, we'll collect all the inquiries, whatever have been there. We'll try to put together in the email so that it can be for the benefit of everyone around. Thank you so much for joining in, folks, and have a great Sunday ahead. Thank you.
Thank you, Suma.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Bye-bye.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
One last question.
Thank you, Suma.
Okay.
Suma?
Yes.
Yeah, sorry, this is Panikumar. Just one last question. So I just briefly checked out the PMI PCC website. For the ISG, you were mentioning that we have to register, right? Like, but in the site it is saying in construction.
No. The ISG link has been provided to you during this meeting. And Lata, if you can just post it again for the benefit of Funny, that will be really great. Not to worry, all these links, we are sending it in an email format to you so that you don't miss out on any. Okay?
Okay. Thanks.
All right.
Yeah. Thanks.
All right. Thank you so much, guys. Have a great day ahead. Okay? Take care.